toughest brawlers around.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, the Anvil Neidhart.
Held records for shot put and became a pro football player before becoming a wrestler.
Well, that athletic background all translates into his explosive physical style in the ring.
And one thing's for sure about the Anvil, he's always disciplined and always focused on the task at hand. Brooks Jensen is here, and he is ready for a brawl.
And his opponent from Radford, Alabama, weighing in at 243 pounds, Brooks Jensen.
Beers and brawling are on the menu tonight with Brooks in action.
Yeah, certainly not a man you want to anger in the ring or in a bar.
Well, Brooks Jensen has completely lost the plot. Now going about things the wrong way.
Well, there's not really any wrong way when you're looking to make a statement or stand out in this business.
Brooks Jensen in the ring tonight, a gifted brawler who is looking to make a big impact and have fun doing it.
What you love about Jensen is how he just goes all out in the ring. He's not looking to do a bunch of fancy stuff. He just wants to land hard hits and get the win.
That's right, and once he's done that, he can kick back and celebrate with a cold one.
Taking a look at the Anvil, Neidhart looks ready to go full medieval and deliver a brutal beatdown.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart was too crazy for pro football and survived training in the famous Hart Dungeon. His opponent should be very concerned for his well-being.
Able to make a move. And locking in the armbar. Arm drag.
Oh, nothing fancy with that boot.
Wards that off. What a response. The arm getting pummeled. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
Escape and a takedown.
Locking up.
Showcasing strength in this situation, pushing the opposition to the ropes.
There was some power behind that punch.
He's taking a bit of damage from these blows.
Yeah, Jensen saw the opportunity and didn't hesitate.
Countering out and cinching in the headlock. Into the side headlock here. How you establish dominance.
I honestly can't believe we just saw a human being tossed like that. Knee finds the abdomen.
Uh-oh.
Anvil got caught with a reversal.
Nice takedown, stacked for the pin.
And the referee stops the count before 2.
He's nowhere near ready to stop fighting yet.
It seems like Brooks Jensen has allowed personal issues to really cloud his judgment in and out of the ring lately. Corey, do you think that'll be an issue tonight?
Oh, I can't speak to Jensen's state of mind, Cole, but if he's focused here, he should be just fine.
Uh-oh. Bang! And getting the cutter here.
He's able to kick out before two.
And those kickouts are only going to get harder. Anvil stumbling into the line of fire.
Oh, he cuts it off.
Jim the Anvil knife. Tremendous power and nice power slam.
No doubt the Anvil ended this. Cover. Oh, shoulder up before three.
I can't believe that this whole arena's in shock.
Yeah, but no one's more shocked than the man who thought he had a pinfall. I can't tell if it's anger in the eyes of the fact that he hasn't finished this, or if it's disbelief that his opponent is still in this. Still fighting back. Look at him go. Oh, spinning heel kick. Oh, here we go. This is raw power. Way up and down hard. His body has to be racked with pain.
As deep as this match has gone, it's not bad shape to be in.
And just hammering away with the rights. Now this is just a ruthless attack.
Such aggression. Cut off with a kick to the gut. Boom!
Neidhart retaliates.
Sidewalk slam!
Almost drove him through the ring.
Jensen looking to go airborne.
Staggering back up, maybe to a four-gun.
On the top rope. Crashing to the floor.
The high risk just resulted in a big splat.
Oh! Rake right across the back. Jensen showing no restraint.
Yeah, this is a focused Brooks Jensen. Not letting any personal issues get in the way of getting the job done here. A chain of reversals here, every motion getting cut off.
Uh-oh. Bang!
Brooks Jensen setting up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Got him hooked.
DDT planted him.
Can the Anvil come back from that?
Uses an elbow to disrupt that attack.
Oh, with authority. And the action is getting a little too close for comfort here.
Face first with a waistlock takedown. Check out this power all the way up.
Sit out powerbomb.
We are beginning to reach a point of desperation in this match.
These athletes' bodies can only take them so far. You have to imagine they're reaching their breaking point. Nice side headlock applied. Oh, and a right hand for good measure.
Here he comes, sliding back into the ring.
A threatening look from the Anvil.
Goes under the ropes and into the ring.
Jim the Anvil knife. Tremendous power and nice power slam.
No doubt the Anvil ended this. Oh, kick out at two.
You gotta be kidding me.
Surviving that maneuver is absolutely amazing. Everything possible was done to win there, but it just fell short.
Very measured elbow drop.
And Anvil is pushing through the pain to deliver some to the opposition.
At this stage, you know Anvil's thinking about bringing things to a close.
Calculating the next move here.
Ooh, pinpointing the trachea.
Looks like he's coming back in.
So many body punches.
Spinning heel kick. He's going up.
It looks like he's stalking his prey. Only one thing in mind.
From the top rope. Missile drop kick on point. He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad. Don't say that too loud, Saxon. You might get caught.
Perilous position for him to be in here. What else are we gonna see now?
DDT!
Can the Anvil come back from that?
The WWE Universe standing at attention, completely entranced by this matchup now.
Can't miss action taking place in front of them. Nobody wants to blink. They do not want to miss a second of the action at this point.
Bang! Brooks might be able to get the win here. Oh, he got him on a win!
Here is your winner, Brooks Jensen.
The loser in this one, Neidhart.
The Anvil did not think his night would end up like this.